Why words matter. Research in neuroscience shows that the words we use impact how we feel and respond to situations. Words trigger emotions. Some make us feel confident, while others can make us anxious. Example: instead of thinking, "I have a problem," consider it a situation or a challenge. Problem can feel overwhelming and negative, often bringing anxiety. Situation is a neutral term, which keeps you calm and more open to solutions. Challenge feels like something exciting, something you can overcome and learn from, which makes it motivating. Reframe problems as opportunities, shift in perspective. Viewing challenges as opportunities opens your mind to potential benefits. Napoleon Hill, a famous author, said, "Every problem or difficulty you face contains the seed of an equal or greater advantage or benefit." Practical example: if a project doesn't go as planned, rather than saying, "This project failed," think of it as an unexpected opportunity. This positive outlook helps you focus on what can be learned or improved, leading to growth and success. Adopt a positive attitude. What is attitude? Think of attitude as the angle or way you approach a situation, much like the attitude of an airplane, which is its angle relative to the horizon. Why it matters. Your approach or attitude to a problem influences how you respond. For example, when faced with setbacks, leaders and successful people look for the good in each challenge and use it as a chance to learn. Example: if you encounter an obstacle, keep a positive attitude by reminding yourself to find the good or the lesson in that challenge. This will keep you creative, resilient, and ready to take action. Embrace failure as a learning tool. Failure is normal. High achievers know that failure is inevitable. They see it as part of the journey, not a stopping point. Learning from failure. IBM founder Thomas J. Watson famously advised that if you want to be successful, you should double your rate of failure. This means each setback is an opportunity to learn something valuable, which will ultimately lead you closer to success. Practical tip: each time something doesn't work out, ask, "What can I learn from this?" This mindset makes failure less discouraging and more empowering. In summary, choose words carefully. Replacing problem with situation, challenge, or opportunity keeps your mind focused and positive. Look for the good. Each challenge offers growth if you're willing to find it. Keep a positive attitude and learn from setbacks. This approach ensures that you grow stronger, no matter what life throws your way. By actively choosing positive words and focusing on the opportunities in each experience, you will develop a resilient, proactive mindset that brings you closer to success.